Hello everyone, in this tutorial video I'll be showing you some of the tools and tips you need to start building your own electronics project. Here are some of the things or tools you need to start your own electronics project. You need a variable power supply or a power supply. Here I have a DC variable output power supply that allows you to vary the output voltage depending on what you need. And the advantage of using variable power supply is that you can buy it at once and select the type of voltage or the range of voltage you need. Or you can get a power supply from a DC 9 volt. You can buy it as a single DC, or you can utilize 1.5 into 6 places to get your 9 volt. As a beginner, you need a breadboard. This is where the circuit will be constructed. And the idea of breadboard is that you build your circuit without ever soldering the component. So how do you use it? It's just by plugging the component on the board, and you can use a jumper to now link them. You can use a jumper to now connect them. And one of the cool thing about using breadboard is that you can easily modify the circuit without stress. Just by changing the position, you don't need to solder, you don't need to damage the component. And you can add and you can remove component as at will. Breadboard actually is meant to make your application very easy. As a beginner, you will find it interesting to start developing your prototypes on a breadboard. You also need a digital multimeter, and the advantage of using digital multimeter, it allows you to test to know your voltages. It allows you to test various circuit condition. So there are variants of digital multimeter depending on which one is in the market. You can measure your resistance with digital multimeter. You can measure your voltage. You can test your diode and other component, which is really cool thing to have as a beginner. So as time progresses, you might need set of screwdrivers. You might need soldering iron in case you need to solder some cables, you want to solder a component, or you want to join two components together, and it comes with a LED. So kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.